Hello and namaste and welcome back to the next GIS tutorial in this channel. And today I'm going to show how you can generate the uh, water index with the normalized difference water index, as it is one of the remote sensing metrics which we can use to delineate open water features and monitor the vegetations as with the water content. Basically it is calculated with the green and the near infrared bands, and it enhances the water bodies if the value is greater than the 0.5, while minimizing the soil terrestrial vegetation noise with value generally ranging from the -1 to +1. So the index use the green and the near infrared band of the remote sensing image. You can see the formula like this. Green refers to the band 3, while near infrared refers to the band 5 in the Landsat image. So let's go with the GIS arc map here. Now you can add your data here. uh, Here add data band 3 as well as the band 5. So here you can see the band 3 and band 5. Rename it. Now you can go to the windows here. To remove the background, you can go with the image analysis and select both here. Now you can see background, click on that. So in this way you can remove the background here. Now go with the arc toolbox, and here you can see in the spatial analyst tools with the map algebra and the raster calculator. Click on that. Now here you can see the conditions here. Click on float there and band 3 minus band 5, and here with division again float here band 3 plus band 5. Here you can also see in this formula. So here now you can see, you can change, rename this as well, or not necessary as well. You can click OK. So check out this one and check this one as well, and now you can go to the symbology here in the properties, and color here you can change. Recurring the high with the high water bodies and low with the less water bodies. Apply and see. Okay, so here you can zoom out. So this is the river section and water bodies. You can also see next river here. So in this way you can make this normalized difference water index. Now you can click your clip your study area. Basically this water index lies between 1 to -1 to +1. You can also know that the greater than 0.5 refers to the high water bodies, whereas for the build-up areas having the positive values lies between the 0 to 0.2. So in this way you can perform the water index map, and you can clip your study area. So thank you for watching.